Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at the Garmin Vivosmart 5. Is this the perfect CrossFit watch? Well, stick around and find out because we think it is. With this box, you're going to get the charger. This piece here plugs into the back of the watch, which you can plug into the USB. You can see that the watch is very low profile. You can tell from this recording that the video kind of shows that the display is flashing at you. It does not look like that. There is an absolute steady display happening when you're wearing the watch. So it doesn't look like that at all. I think it's just with the video. But when I show you this, you can see that there are several readings on here, the time, and then like because I'm not wearing the watch, if you tap it, you see that the readings kind of change. The heart in the middle is the pulse. The 289 is the steps, and then the 57% is the battery life. The one on the bottom, 73 degrees, obviously is the temperature. 606 is the calories burned. And then the timer on the bottom is the intensity time during the week. So you'll see that there is one single button that just kind of like toggles through. You can actually just tap it and you'll change the display. Or you can slide it and you can, take a look at the different things that are showing up right here. I never wear it for the sleep function. It has a really cool pulse ox option right in the middle. That's 95%. This one right here is the respiration, is breaths per minute. So that's a really cool little feature. It is waterproof. You can actually change the band if you'd like. So it only comes with one band. So the other bands are different colors. But once you go to activities, you can slide it around. You'll see that there's bike, there's strength, there's treadmill, there's running, walking, rowing indoors, and HIIT. So if I go to HIIT, and then I have, right now it's already on Tabata timer. So I'm gonna switch it, go to training type, HIIT timers. And then you'll see that there's EMOM, AMRAPs, Tabatas, and customs. So you can set up whatever you want on this little watch. It's really easy. Also starts to record your activities automatically. So if you start running without starting this, it figures it out. Kind of already like knows what you're doing. But especially for the Tabata timers and other workouts, you should definitely start this thing up. What are some of the other things that are special about this? You do not need a phone to work this. So on the next screen that you're gonna see is a screen capture of the actual app that I hooked up to the watch. Okay, but you don't need it. Here is the Garmin app, and if I click it, I already have the Bluetooth already connected. You'll see that this is the intensity minutes that you saw on the watch, which was 180, and then stress level is 87. Body battery is Garmin's measurement for like how much energy they think you have left. It's a combination of several factors. Heart rate is heart rate, that's your pulse. This counts your steps, right, 289, it's very early this morning. 616 calories burnt already, and respiration is 16 awake average. The heart rate from yesterday, my high was 103 and 55 was resting. Oh, and I will say that the charge for this watch is really nice. Even though I don't wear it at night, I charge it to full, wear it 5 to 6 days, and it's good to go. So these are some of the readings that it's recorded from me. You'll see that the app has certain challenges that you can join. Here's a calendar that you can take a look at. See, like it actually tells me what happened on Friday. So this is my heart rate in a chart format. So that's kind of cool. It's got a news feed and then an inbox, which I have not connected. This is a really interesting little app. You've got safety and tracking. You can actually have a safe contact connected to this and then have a single button push to contact them if you're out running and you run into some trouble. This is the health performance weight, calories. Pulse ox is really cool. I don't know how accurate it is. This is kind of cool. So it measured my VO2 max, which is my ability to utilize oxygen. Then you've got your fitness age that it figures out, that I'm going to skip that. But it's cool. I like it. I like the app. I don't always have it connected because sometimes I turn off Bluetooth. But this is an excellent little watch. It doesn't get in the way. I can actually do front racks with it in CrossFit. And you've got all the timers in there. It's really nondescript, sleek, and it does its job. You have any questions? Leave it in the comments below.